We are going to build a new trading robot from the scratch and then backtest it and run it in real life. This is going to be very easy if you follow all the steps that I'm going to pass you through in this video. You do not need to know how to code before. You do not need any experience with coding. If you want to automate any trading strategy or you want to build your trading robot, this video is going to guide you properly. I am recording this video because one of my videos that has done more than 70-something thousand views, a lot of questions that people have been asking, some tried to create, some created on FXE Trader and then they were not able to run it. Some tried to create it with AI and then they ran into certain errors that they could not solve. That's why I decided to take time to answer most of the questions that were asked. And if you know any kind of trading robot that is performing in the market and you comment the name of that trading robot, in the continuation videos that will follow, we are going to try to rebuild those VAs from the scratch. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, my name is David Wekulo. I am the founder of SignalXY, the trader authentication and credibility building platform, and I also developed the Wealth Terminal, which is the best analytics software for traders all over the world. Okay, and I can show you in this video how you can build your own trading robot and test it in the market. And if you are lucky to build one that is profitable, you are going to make money and you don't have to be coming to the chart all the time. The EA can actually do that for you. So without wasting time, we're going to begin by going to ChatGPT, because we are going to build a robot that scalps gold, and I believe that there will be some of them in the market right now that are performing. So we will use ChatGPT to research the bot, and then we will also write the prompt, then take it to any other AI to build it for us. If you are on your phone or anything, you can go to ChatGPT right now and ask list top 5. So I just wrote a simple prompt: list top 5 trading bots or expert advisors that have been proven to be profitable. It's going to research for us. Let's give it some time to come up with a list. There are a few gold scalping EA that can reasonably be called proven profitable. Most vendors rely on optimized backtests, which are not sufficient evidence. Okay, so now verified live on my FX Book or FX Blue account, at least 6 to 12 months of live history. So there are many of those bots. So it has listed some of them for us here. You see one here. If I had to rank them: Forex Gold Investor, this one is one. Longest reward history. It has a verified account. Okay, then you have Forex Fury, you have Pip Master X, others. Okay, so those are the bots. I have not done any previous research on any of these bots, okay, but we will just try to review them. So let's pick the first one. So I say research in details about Forex Gold Investor. So it's going to dig into the Forex Gold Investor and tell us everything. So transparency, it is ranked very well. Live verification, risk management, ease of use, and all that, overall rating. So now the third prompt is that we are going to try to replicate, to rebuild this bot. We want to attempt to rebuild this bot. Kindly do a deep research about it and create a detailed prompt that I can paste on another AI or developer to build it. It is going to go deeper into the research and then tell you what and what it's available. Yes, based on public information, reviews, vendor documentation, and observed behavior, it is possible to create a functional simile architecture. It has written a master specification that you can hand to any developer you have. With this prompt, if you copy this prompt to any developer, they can actually create the bot. But we will be using Grok to build it, or DeepSeek. What we will just do now, if you have time before you paste anything to an AI to build it for you, it is advised that you take time to read it. After reading, you can do some corrections. Copy the prompt. If you look, this prompt is very, very detailed. Right now, I don't care to enhance it. I just want us to build what we have seen. So you can just copy it. So let's go to Grok. We have researched the bot. We have written a detailed prompt. It is time for us to build it. And we are going to use Grok to build. You can also use DeepSeek. You can use Claude or any other AI model that you have. So let's just paste the prompt here. Every detail needed is in this prompt. Now I'm going to remove things that are irrelevant. The last part of this is not needed. So let's go on and see what can be done. So we just pasted the prompt and it is thinking. It will think about it. It will organize everything and begin to code the EA for us. So you can see, I think from what I'm seeing here, it will have different files. It has the .mqh file, it has the institutional, it has the main EA file, and a lot of others. Okay, so now step for full implementation. implement the individual class files on the detail spec. It created it with different files. I want us to ask the EA to see if it can build it as a single file. So I said, let it build it into a single file instead of having multiple files. You can actually have more than one files, okay, and that is going to take longer, but I want it to be very straightforward. So yes, here is the complete single file, MQL5 expert advisor. So this is how I wanted it. So it's going to build it for us. So after building, the next thing is for us to compile this boat. And if it compiles with 0 errors and 0 warning, then it will now be time to backtest and see if it actually is profitable. All right, while we are waiting for the AI to finish building, I want to show you something. We have this platform, SignalXY, and it's a platform that helps traders to actually grow from amateur traders to professional traders, where they can build enough confidence to trade their own money and also to trade for institutions. Okay, if you come to this platform and you grow from unrated to fund manager status, you will be linked to real investors. And the platform is SignalXY and it's free. You can join this platform. When you come here, you can create. Look at this create button. You can click on the create button and then you can paste your trade idea, maybe Euro USD or gold, any currency pair that you want. You can post it just like this guy has done. The trade is going in profit. When it hits the take profit, you will see the total percentage that it has made. Look at entry point, look at current price, look at top loss, and then you have the take profit level. You can comment, and then what you also see is that as you keep on posting trade ideas, the platform builds your statistic for you. You will see your win rate, sharp ratio, a lot of other things. Then you can see the history, advanced analytics. You can look at how you have been performing in the past month. Then you will look at your achievement. When you join the platform, you become unrated. No matter how you have been trading, when you post your trade ideas on this platform, you cannot delete the trade idea. The goal is to be very transparent and disciplined, okay, so that your trade ideas will play out for everybody to see. And if you are a good trader, you will attract real investors. And if you're a struggling trader, keep on posting and it will help you to know how actually your trading strategy is performing. From unrated, you grow to analyst, which is level 1. Then you can grow to level 2, which is junior trader, then prop trader. If you are somebody who wants to trade prop firm accounts, you should not buy any prop firm account until you have grown on SignalXY to at least the prop trader. At that level, you are qualified to manage any prop account. Then portfolio manager, here other people can share in your trade ideas and pay you for it. Then you have fund manager, where you are qualified to trade for other people. So if your goal is to grow as a professional trader, then join SignalXY today. It's actually very free. You can check the pinned comment or the description of this video, click on it and then join SignalXY. You can follow me directly and see my trade ideas. The goal is not actually to come and copy other people's idea, but to grow your trading credibility. Okay, the link is there. You can send messages to any trader that is performing well. If you want to ask him any question or mentorship, you can chat with them. There are other features here, but it's just very simple. Let's go back to Grok and see what is going on. So yes, we have it here. Grok has finished coding the EA. Let's hope that this EA will compile. Okay, compiling means we want to convert it from ordinary code to something that the MetaTrader 5 can actually see and use. So when you open your MetaTrader 5, any broker at all that you're using, simply go to Tools, click on Tools, then you come to MetaQuote Language Editor, click there. It will open the MetaQuote environment where you can edit any code. Okay, so now this is the MetaQuote Language Editor. Check the top left hand side of the screen. You will see new there. Click that new, then select Expert Advisor Template. Click next. It will tell you to write the name of the EA that you want to build. So you can write the name of the EA that we have here, or you can write your own name. Anything that you want to call that EA, you can write it, but let's just call it XYZ bot. To make it easy for us, I just call it XYZ bot. You can call it version 1.0, whatever you like to call it. Okay, next, finish. It has given you a template. So simply go back to Grok, copy the entire file that it generated, take it to the MetaQuote Language Editor. This step I'm taking is very critical, so please pay attention. Delete everything that is in that template, delete, and paste the one from the Grok or any other AI that you use to build it. When you paste, look at this place, you see compile there. Click on compile and let it build. You see there are about 25 errors, TypeScript errors that have been identified and 0 warnings. Some people, when they are building, they face these errors. You are now confused. What can you do again? Because if the board did not compile, there is no way you can use it. So that is why we need to debug, that is to correct the errors that you have seen. Okay, so how do you do that? Just press the control button and select all the errors that it has identified like this. If you do Control A, it will not copy all, it will not select all. So you select one by one like this. If you have a better method, you can also apply, but the goal is just to copy all the errors, and there is no warning in this case. So you just copy, take it back to Grok and paste it. We have the following errors. So I just said we have the following errors. So kindly rebuild it so that it can compile with 0 errors and 0 warning. And so I say let it give us the file complete and production ready. I paste all the errors that we ported and sent. So it's going to analyze, thinking about your request. Fixed and production ready, single file, 0 errors, 0 warning. It is rebuilding, correcting all those errors we identified to give us a file that is error free so that we can compile and go to the next stage. So look at it. Okay, we have a new file now. Take it back to your metacode language editor, delete the old one, paste the new one and compile again. Guys, we did it. The file compiled with 0 errors and 0 warning, and this is a very great step. So now we have succeeded in researching the bot. We have succeeded in writing a detailed prompt that any AI agent or developers can understand. Then we have created the metacode file and we have succeeded in debugging the file, and it has compiled fully. The next stage, we are going to backtest this trading robot in the MetaTrader 5, and then after backtesting, if it is productive, then we'll begin to do forward testing. That is to just attach the bot to a demo account and leave it to run for 1 week so that you can observe if it is making money as the backtest shows you. Then you have built something that you can use for real trading. Okay, we will end it at this stage. Make sure you watch the next video. In the next video, we are going to show you how you will backtest. But before we do that, kindly come to your MetaTrader 5. What you're seeing on the screen is MetaTrader 5. Go to Navigator. If you check the Navigator window, scroll down under EA, you will see if the one we compiled is there. Under Navigator, scroll down, you see XYZ bot. This is the bot we just built. If you double tap, it will attach to your file, whatever. But right now, we're not going to do that. In the next video, we will backtest the bot. If the bot makes money, we will move into the forward testing and then actually run it live. Any challenge you have will be sorted out. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. If you want, join SignalXY. You will see my account there. Send me a direct message on SignalXY. The link for you to join SignalXY is in the description of the video. So kindly join SignalXY and send me a message. Thank you very much.